In Gemini, if you select Nano Banana model, upload your image, paste this prompt and hit generate, it will generate all the lost details without changing the face. In this video, I'm going to reveal the top 3 AI prompts you can use every single day to create stunning realistic photo edits. Most people get fake plastic AI results. You're about to get the real method. I have some magic AI prompts that I'm going to share at the end of this video. Let's start with prompt 1. If you have low quality photos that seems impossible to restore, don't worry, this one prompt can bring them back to life. Go to Google Gemini, free to use on PC or phone. Now select create image, which is Nano Banana model. Upload your photo. Then copy the first prompt from the Google document. Paste it in the Gemini and hit start. Wait a few seconds and it restores all the lost details. Notice how it doesn't change the face or shape, but every texture and details comes back. Let's try it on another image. And wow, the results are insane. Now prompt 2. This one is for changing the dress and location in the most realistic way ever. Upload your photo. Copy the second prompt from the Google document and paste it in Gemini. Now let's modify it. I'll type the dress I want and choose a different location to make it look realistic. Then hit generate. And just like that, a high quality completely new image appears, with the face and body exactly the same. Next, I'm generating an image for a man. I already modified the prompt, so I just paste it and hit generate. And boom, it creates a stunning image from scratch, totally realistic. Finally, prompt 3. I've got a boring doll wedding photo. Let's make it beautiful. Upload it in Gemini. Copy and paste the third prompt from the Google document and hit generate. And there it is, a vibrant, stunning result. If you want all these prompts, just comment below this video and I'll send them to you.
I'm mastering the art just by